Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can make 10k per month using TikTok Shop affiliate. I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can find the best selling product on TikTok, and then you can make a video using AI, and then you can upload in your TikTok, in your YouTube channel, Reels video, or any other social media that you use, so you can make money from that. Okay, so if you are a student, if you are a housewife or job holder, so you can start this side hustle, so you don't need to spend any money. Spend your time and learn the process, then start and then make money. So right now we're on the TikTok. So this seller, it says Joyce on reviews and 8k followers and likes. This seller made 163.98k revenues, guys. Yes, this seller, here you can see 8.65k followers, and this is the sellers. Okay, and the another seller, it's called Cheeky Baby. I don't know. Yes, Cheeky Baby. Okay, so let's find it. So already this seller made 120.89 revenue, and the core metrics last 7 days, it shows that per day 17.30k per day. Okay guys, and the video revenue, this is the video revenue. So how they are doing this? Okay, so we'll find out the way. All right, and here you can see she made different kind of products review video, and this is the similar product, guys. So we'll find the product also, and then we'll try to make a video. Okay, so this is pretty simple and very easy money, guys. So if you are using TikTok, so you can make money like this. All right, so you don't need to high skill to create a very outstanding video. You just need some basic knowledge. That's mean how we can run AI tools and how we can generate a video. Okay guys, and this profile is a AI generated profile picture. It doesn't matter, it could be real or not. Okay guys, so first step is you have to find the product. That's mean this seller, they are also generating the money 72.90k, and the 4 Ryan's hot deals made 63.98k. So these are genuine, guys, these are not fake, and it's from Collar Data website, and it's a now trending website, and this is the best tools for TikTok Shop analytics and insight. So you can find and analyze the creators, also shop and products and video. So what kind of videos are trending now, so you can find this. So click on video and you will see this kind of videos. So you'll find lots of videos are trending now, and they are promoting different kind of products, and they are making money. The commission based, like affiliate commission, guys. Alright guys, so we find this seller, they are making money. Okay, so let's find the product. So which product they are promoting? Okay, so let's find the product. So click on product section, and you will find the different kind of products. That's been the number 1 TikTok trending product, and this is the number 2, number 3. Okay, so you'll find a lots of product there. Okay, so now it's time to pick the product. So which product do you want to promote? Like suppose number 1 product. Okay, so this is the TikTok trending number 1 product, and the item sold 90k, and revenue total made 1.59 million revenues. Okay, and average selling price 71.50 cents. Alright guys, so it's time to find the creators. That's mean, so I already opened and showed you that this seller already made a huge number of money. That's mean those people are also made money. Okay, so these sellers already making money promoting this product, and already I showed you. Okay, and this is the product, guys. So that's mean we got our product, and the second step is we have to find a product on Amazon. Okay, so copy the product name from here, and then go back to Amazon and just paste it here, and I hope you will find a product. Okay, all right, and scroll down and find the best selling product or best seller. All right, this one. Okay, 14 days cleanse, advanced gut cleanse. Okay, and reviews 85k reviews, and in the past month bought 14,000. So this is the product. Okay guys, so let's open the product. All right guys, so finally we got our product, and the third step is we have to make a video on that. Okay, so I'm going to use the tools. It's called flexclip.com. it's a AI tools, and you will find out different magic tools like AI video generator, auto subtitle, AI text to speech translator, and many more. Okay, so I'm going to click AI video generator. That's mean I want to produce a video, so better we can copy the URL and let's create the video. That means Amazon product URL to video. Alright, so I'm going to use this article URL to video. So there is an option AI text to video. Also you can create text to video. That's mean you can copy this text and then paste it here and it will generate a video. So I'm going to use the easiest way, the URL to video. So click on that and scroll down. You will find the paste the article link and you can choose the captions styles which you like. We are going to produce TikTok video or shorts video. The perfect is 9:16. Make sure this. And here you can see the duration 5 seconds, so you can keep as it is or also you can upgrade, no problem. Okay guys, then it's time to generate, so click on generate. Alright guys, so it's not done yet. So this is the source article. That's mean they already took the picture and also they took the articles from their different reviews, product reviews. Okay, here you go. And the right section you will find the main content. That's mean the video content. It's a 3 seconds and the second phase is 2 and the third one is 4 seconds. That means total 3 scenes over there. Okay, so if you want to replace the media you can, so click on replace media. Okay, so first one is okay, so I'm going to change the second scenario. So I'm going to change the second scene. That's mean click on replace media and I'm going to find the scene. So let's add this. Okay, and click on replace and it will replaced. Okay, and the third one I want to also replace this, so click on replace media and I'm going to find a weight loss, weight something. Okay, so let's check this one. So let's click on and let's replace this. I think this is pretty okay. Okay, so let's click on add to timeline. Alright, finally our video is ready. So if you want to add something there, so you can add. Also you can change the style, also you can change the content like the article. Okay, so click on that and you will find the captions, so you can edit also. So it's time to download, so click on export button and you will find the options, settings over there. So make sure 180 pixel, frame 30 fps and recommended quality. Click on export and it's time to rendering. That's mean within few seconds you got this video. It will automatically download it in your drive. So once your video is ready, then you can upload in your TikTok. Also you can upload in your YouTube shorts and reels video, wherever you want. Okay guys, alright, and the fourth step is you have to create Amazon Associate account, and once you completed Amazon Associated you will get a link. That's been a specific product URL. Okay, it's pretty simple, just sign up and recommended. Okay, and then earn. That's mean you can earn 10% commission, up to 10%. And who is eligible? That's mean who can make money. Like if you are a blogger, publisher, content creators and qualifying website, mobile app, so you can make money. Content, specific product review content, so that's gonna work. Okay guys, so make sure this you can approved Amazon Associated, and once your Amazon Associated account approved, then you can find the product and then you can generate the affiliate URL. That's mean affiliate link, and then you can add into your video description, a comment section, also your about section, wherever you want, and then someone click and buy through your link, so you can get this kind of commission. Guys, this is how it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have any queries, please comment below. I am very happy to support you, and make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.